So do you use Canva to create content? Are you constantly using different designs, but you want them to have your brand template associated with them? Well, I am going to show you a hack that is absolutely insane. Retooling your designs to fit your brand, your unique brand template, has absolutely never been easier. So I'm going to show you 2 tricks in Canva. One is going to be how to immediately change any design to your brand coloring and templates. The second thing is how to then, if your design has multiple pages, implement that new design on all of the pages in your Canva design. Now, I'm using this on a presentation, so I'm going to show you in a presentation. However, this will work on any type of design, whether you're creating a series of Instagram posts, whether you're creating a series of YouTube thumbnails, it doesn't matter. This is going to work for anything. So sit back, let's hop on my computer, and this is going to be crazy cool. So let's do this. First things first, I'm going to add in all 15 pages of this presentation. I'm doing this for a presentation, but if you were doing a series of Instagram posts or any other social platform, this would also be you could do this for any type of Canva design, and I think that's just super awesome. Here we go. We have our template. So the first thing we are going to do is you're going to upload your brand colors. So this is the brand coloring of the company that I'm doing this building this presentation for. So it doesn't necessarily need to be in the picture, it needs to be somewhere, right? So you can reference this menu here. You're going to go to the drop down and you're going to say apply colors to page. Now that didn't change it very much. You can click this button as many times as you want to see all the different colors, because it's going to go alternate between all of the options and give you different designs. Now, okay, so this is all the way back to the beginning because this was one of the original colors. But if you also click the undo button, then you can go back through all of those colors or forward and compare and contrast so that you can pick the one that you like the best. Now, I am going to pick this one. I kind of like the lighter. It has a bit more of a pop to me, but whatever. You know, this is something you can always change later too. But this is just to prove this point that we can use this swatch, this color swatch, to now influence the entire pitch deck. So now we're going to go to the bottom right-hand corner to this grid view. And as you can see, this one is gray and the rest of them are black. So we're going to go to this right-hand menu, and there is, of course, you're going to need Canva Pro to do this, but you're going to copy the page style. So you're copying the one page style of this one. Then you're going to go ahead and select everything, and then back to that same menu, and then you're going to go ahead and paste the page style, and voila, you have now transformed this entire template to whatever your branding preference is. Now, I personally, that saves everybody so much time, because now you don't have to go to each individual page, change all the colors, go through all those steps. You've saved so much time. Does that mean that you can't go through and add different colors or accents, or, I'm still gonna have to build this presentation. So there's tons and tons of ways for me to edit and enhance this presentation. However, from a jump start, I would say that if you're able to transform all these pages with just simply one right-hand click, you're off to a way better start. Now, let me even show you. You don't have to put, say instead, you just want, let's say, photos. Say instead you don't know what colors you want to do. You want to just do any, you could use any colors to, let's do this one. So we've got this now instead, and we're gonna go, I like the red one. I like the red and the yellow. All right, so for me, the red wins. However, for you, it could be different, but same thing applies. So we're coming over here, we've got this red. We are gonna copy this page style, select all the pages, go to the upper right-hand corner, paste the page style, And just like that, we've transformed this template once again, all within a matter of minutes. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and if you know someone else who's also using Canva, go ahead and share this video. But if this video doesn't help you, then I know the next video is going to help you, where Canva actually has a tool where if you don't know what colors go the best together, all you have to do is have one color, and then Canva will spit out for you all the colors that go along with that color, and you could literally have your brand coloring done in a matter of seconds. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Like, share, subscribe. If you found this video helpful, then I know you're gonna find this next video helpful. That's right, here. See you on the next one. Pop quiz, what's my favorite color? Just kidding. Something useful though. Have you ever realized that the acronym for Shiny Object Syndrome is SOS? Now, in business, there has never been a bigger SOS than AI. And if you want to know how to utilize the best softwares and tools, then you have to sign up for my newsletter, Winning Business, because every week we drop bombshell after bombshell about what softwares to use, why to use them. So if you want my help narrowing down what softwares are going to get you to where you want to go with your online business, then you have to sign up for Winning Business. The link is down in the description. However, you may not like reading. So if you don't like reading, I would highly recommend you check out this video.